talked about it, I also have an RX-7, an 85 Mazda RX-7. It's a GSL, original color. The only thing that is chipping, when the flood happened, I don't know if you can see, the water got up to there, close to the bumper, and the car will not start after that. The car is in great condition. I don't know if you can see, but the line goes basically up to here, the water. So the garage was kind of weird. With some spots the garage sits low, in some spots the car flooded more. I don't know if you see the watermark right there. It's kind of weird. It went a little up and it straightened out on it, but hopefully I'm going to get it running again. It has a rotary engine. I know this isn't motorcycle related, but that way you guys can get to know me a little bit. Open. The seats are original. The interior got wet. I don't know if you can see. The windows are kind of dirty, so it looks a little dark. I have a little system back here. I'm gonna have to trash that. That got wet as well. So this is a 12A motor, a rotary motor. It's all original, but I want to start working on it. So I just want to get it back running. Now I plan to take the whole motor out, redoing it, give it some more little oomph, make it scream. I'm a rotary guy. I love muscle cars. I love the Corvettes and the imports. But I want to give you a little tour. See you guys on the next one.